Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to a new video. And today we're going to talk about false friends. What are false friends? False friends are words from different languages that can have similar spelling or similar pronunciation but have absolutely different meaning. That's why it's so easy to confuse them. Let's start. The first two words are embarrassed and embaraçada. Embarrassed means to feel ashamed or shy. Sentir vergüenza. For example, he was too embarrassed to admit that he was scared. Meanwhile, embaraçada means to be pregnant. The next two words are constipated and constipado. Constipated means to have difficulties to empty your bowel. Estar estreñido. For example, if you ate more fiber, you wouldn't get constipated. Meanwhile, constipado means to have a cold. The following pair of words are exit and éxito. Exit means a door through you might leave a building. Salida. For example, in case of emergency, please direct to the nearest exit. Meanwhile, éxito means success. The following couple of words are nude and nudo. Nude means without clothes. Desnudo. For example, nude sunbathing is only allowed on certain beaches. Nudo means a knot. The next couple of words are soap and sopa. Soap is a substance used for washing our bodies or other things. For example, she likes taking shower with a bar of nice smelly soap. Meanwhile, sopa means soup, the ones we eat. The next pair of words are to introduce and introducir. To introduce means to tell a name of one person to another. For example, let me introduce myself. My name is Alice. Meanwhile, introducir means to insert. The following two words are assist and assistir. To assist means to help. For example, they are looking for volunteers to assist in a charity event. Meanwhile, asistir means to attend. The next two words are library and librería. Library is a place that has a collection of books, documents, music where people can come and borrow them for free without paying. Biblioteca. For example, the town hall set a toy library for local parents and toddlers. Meanwhile, librería means a bookshop. The next two words are carpet and carpeta. Carpet is a piece of a thick material used for covering floors. For example, we've just had a new carpet laid in our living room. Meanwhile, carpeta means a folder. Another pair of words are large and largo. Large means big. For example, they bought a large house in the countryside. Meanwhile, largo means long. The following couple of words are sane and sano. Sane means showing good judgment and understanding. For example, it was a sane decision and one we all respected. And sano means healthy. And the last couple of words we're going to look at today is bold and balde. For example, when he took off his hat, we saw he was absolutely bald. So bald means with little or no hair. Meanwhile, balde means a bucket. This is the end of our video. If you find it useful, press like and follow for more.